Hello guys, this is my another project on Python 3 programming language. In this project I have done a memorizing game with Python 3 programming language. So it is the final project folder of this game, and it is the final project script for Python language, and these all folders are associated folders for this game. So let me run it quickly. Okay, so it is the interface of this game. If we click on this C profile button, it will generate another window, another welcome window. So as I am a new user to this game, it is saying that sorry, you have not fully completed the game, so no data can be shown. Please fully solve the puzzle first, best of luck. And it is also saying that you can solve the puzzle only in 16 mouse clicks. So if I click on this OK button, it will destroy this window, and let me solve this puzzle. Okay, so it is saying it's a match, and the corresponding data is being removed from this interface. Okay, so it's a very bad performance, I guess. So it is saying that goodbye, thank you for the playing the game, see you soon. Now if I run the application again, and now if I click on this C profile button, it will saying that you have finished the puzzle in 42 clicks, and I think this is a bad performance, so let me try it again. Okay, so it's quite good, and now it is saying that you take only 27 clicks to finish the puzzle. It is your new record, and let me click on OK, and it is saying that goodbye, thanks for playing the game, see you soon. So for the last time, if I run the program and click on the C profile button, it will generate the another window with the updated clicks. So it is now saying you have finished the puzzle in 27 clicks. So basically if you solve the puzzle in more accurately, and if you do some small number of clicks, then it will be updated, and if you do some wrong or bad performance, then it will not be updated. So it was the project, it was the final project, and it was the memorizing power game. So thank you.